Hi kids, this is ST, that's a blend, and we practiced it before where we said words that began with ST, like stop and step, all right? Now, we're going to still do ST, which says st, but this time we're going to practice it at the end of words, okay? So, let's start by saying the word fast. Say all the sounds in fast. Fast. Again, fast. All right, let's spell it. Ready? Okay. F, F, of course. F, ah. What vowel is that? A. F, S. S. Fast. Who said T? Awesome. Fast. Okay, good. Now, if I fold up my hand, what do I make? A fist, right? Say all the sounds in fist. F-ist. Again. F-ist. Okay, let's spell it. Fist. F. F, of course. F-I. What vowel says I? I. Okay, ready? Fist. St. That's those two letters. What did we just learn? Fist. Who said S? Fist. I can't hear you. T. Good. Fist. Awesome. Awesome. Excuse me. All right. Now, when you take a nap, you take a little rest, right? So let's do the word rest. Say all the sounds in rest. Est. Again. Est. Cool. Let's do it. What's Can't hear you. That's right. What vowel says like elephant? E. A little sloppy. Rest. Yep, you're right. S. Rest. Who said T? Rest. Awesome. Okay. All right, let's do the word must, like you must listen to your parents. Okay, say all the sounds in must. Ready? St. Again. St. Okay, cool. Let's write it. Who said M? All right. Now, what vowel is like umbrella? You, of course. Must. S. You're right. Must. Must. You must do it. Okay. Now, guys, what's that stuff that can collect on the shelf that you have to wipe off? It has to get cleaned off. Who said dust? Anybody say dust? All right, cool. Say all the sounds in dust. Ready? Dust. Again, dust. Excellent. All right, D, of course. What vowel is that? You got it. Dust. You're right. Dust. Who said T? Dust. Very good. All right. Now, if you're at the end of the line, you are what? Last. Good. Say the sounds in last. All-ast. Again. All-ast. Okay. Spell it. A, of course. All-ast. Last. Excellent. Last. All right. So if I'm going to the grocery store, before I leave, I get a paper and a pen, and I write my list. Actually, look here. It's right on my fridge. See that? There's my list. So, let's do list. Say all the sounds in list. All-ist. Again, all-ist. Okay. Ready? What's all? L. All-I. What vowel is I? Who said I? List. Oh, I'm on too good. List. L-I-S-T. Make your list. Good job, guys. I'm so proud of you. You did a lovely job today. Thank you.